In 97, cell phone bills totaled this many number of dollars. There were 55 million subscribers, so 55 million people using a cell phone. And it's asking what's the average monthly cost per subscriber or per person using a cell phone. So what's the hint? It's find the total amount of money spent per subscriber. Then find the monthly amount of money spent per subscriber. Okay. So the question here is asking what's the average monthly cost per subscriber. And the hint is saying, okay, first find the total amount of money spent per subscriber for the entire year of 1997. Once we have that number, then we could divide it by 12 to find the monthly amount of money spent per subscriber. Okay. So how would we find the amount per subscriber? It'd be the total amount. So total amount spent divided by number of subscribers. Okay. So what do we have as the total amount spent? Well, we have it in scientific notation. 2.75 times 10 to the $10. And we want to put it over 55 million subscribers. We also want to write that in scientific notation so it's easier for us to work out the math. Right? So let's go ahead and do that. It's 55 million. That's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 100. This is thousands. 50, 100,000. Thousands. Yep, so I think this is it right here. We have 1 million. Okay, so this is the thousands place, the 10,000s, the 100,000s, the millions place. So here we have 55 million. Right? So to write that in scientific notation, our prefix would be 5.5, 5.5. And I would multiply that by 10. And we're going to move the decimal place to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since we move to the right, our power is going to be positive 7. Right? If we move to the left, it'd be negative 7. So positive 7. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and put 5 times 5.5 times 10 to the 7th power. Okay, so the total amount that was spent divided by the total number of subscribers. So now from here, well, we've done these problems in the past, right? In the examples. We'll go ahead and do the division of the prefixes separately. And we'll divide the powers of 10. Multiply those two together. So 2.75 divided by 5.5 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 times 10 to the power of 10 minus 7. And the quotient of powers property tells us we take the power of the numerator, subtracted by the power of the denominator if we have the same basis, which we do. And this is what we get. So we're going to get 0.5 times 10 to the power of 3. So let's go ahead and convert this into standard form. So since we have a positive power, we're going to take the decimal place and move it to the right 3 times. So we'll get 500. So this is the amount of money spent per subscriber in the year 1997. But the question is asking us what's the average monthly cost per subscriber. So this is the annual cost, right? Annual cost per subscriber. We want to find the average monthly cost. So we're going to take 500 and divide that by 12 for 12 months. So we'll get 500 divided by 12 is equal to $41.6 per subscriber per month. And that's our final answer. Put a box around it.